Hello everybody, welcome back to the Burak's Loft. I wanted to thank all the subscribers out there for coming back to the channel, and also want to thank all the new subscribers out there for coming to the channel. So just want to give you a little update in this loft here. Okay, they're on eggs, they're on eggs, they're on eggs. They're only had the one fertile egg. Okay, they have 2 eggs. This pair here, they're supposed to be my best pair, and so far they're not on eggs. I don't understand why, considering that, they were mated up before, so they should be producing eggs for me. I don't know why, what's going on and why they're not, but anyways, okay, they're on eggs, they're on eggs, and they're on eggs. This has got, they got eggs here, and these guys are getting ready to lay eggs. So, but I put a bunch of straw in here with these guys last night. I figured they'd make a nest and get them started, but nope, nothing. So I'm not sure what is going on with these two. I'm hoping they produce eggs pretty soon, so I'd like to get a few more babies off those guys. So, but what do? You got me. It's just weird. If somebody can maybe give me some thoughts, maybe why they're not, eggs. She's 2017, he's 2018, so they're not that old, so. I don't know about you, but that sure is a pretty view looking at the trees when they're like this. It's kind of been a foggy all day today, but still, I love looking at the trees when they got that little bit of frost on them, including my apple trees there. So, as you can see, that's a beautiful view out here. So hello everybody, I'm gonna come out to the loft today, and I got me some babies. Look at the little buggers in there. I got 2 babies there. I got a couple babies in here. Hey. Yeah, I know, Daddy. Owie. That's from Danny's laying there. A couple babies there. Okay. And I got a couple babies down here. Off these guys down here. Let's see if I can get in there and take a look-see. Yeah, see? Babies. I got me a couple babies in here. Everybody's doing good, so just wanted to give you a little update on the other loft. I got in Sions, they're all on eggs but 1 pair. Okay, there's 4 pairs in there. 3 out of the 4 pair have eggs. And then the other loft over there is 12 nest boxes. Okay, and 10 out of the 12 pair in there have eggs. So I can show you that in a little bit here, but baby pigeons, you gotta love them. That's what this time of year is. So my first babies for 2021. Woohoo! As you can see, she's sitting on an egg too. Not hatched yet. Should be not too far away, but you never know. And I got another set of eggs in here, up here on top. And they're fertile too, so. But everybody in here is doing really good. As you can see, everybody's up, looking good. That's the 2 mated pair right there. He's actually the mate, the one that's down there. So, but everybody else is doing in here is really good. So I hope you enjoyed the little video, and please like, share, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye.